update video on my WPL single speed. We took the WPL motor out, and we got this black motor. It came from AliExpress, hooked to a blue single speed thing. Took it all apart. So this is still the WPL reduction box. It's just got a different motor. So it should work better or the same. I don't know. Before, with the WPL 370 on a 3S lipo under full throttle, we could just grab the tire and stop it, which that don't seem like enough torque. So now we got this other one in there. Get her going full speed. See if I can grab this camera. Yeah, I can't stop it. A lot more torque. Seems to be about the same in the speed department. But yeah, a lot more torque. So this thing's going to be ready to crawl now. We're going to be able to actually use it. Before, trying to climb up stuff, it would start to struggle and stall, and you'd have it full throttle and it's stalled out, then all of a sudden it would just kind of go. It was like that from new. I tried to put a 370 motor from the dual speed in there, and the shaft was too long, so I was able to take apart the blue gearbox and make that work. So here's the one that came in the single speed, and then this is just a example of a 370 I don't know, a dual speed. I had a new one, I just misplaced it making a video, so I ain't gonna look for it. This is the same thing, but the shaft's longer, so I couldn't use it. So I disassembled this single speed box, and I was going to put the motor and reduction box in it, but this reduction box, the shaft is longer. On the WPL one, it was like half the length, so that wouldn't work. So I was able to take the motor. So this came with this box, and it came with that black motor. I was able to take this apart, take the motor off it, and just use the motor onto the WPL 370 single speed gearbox. Works really good. I was able to get this for $20 off AliExpress, and then I bought a 370 dual speed motor for it was like $5 off the official site. That won't work. So it seems to be working pretty good. This is my update video on what I did to fix the problem. I wish I would just offer a different motor with the right pinion and gear on it, so I don't have to, you know what I mean, pull it off, grind it down, re-put it on, hope it sticks. But we're able to take this one off AliExpress, take that black motor off it, and put it in, and it seems to work really good. I don't know if you remember before, but my ever since new, the 370 single speed that I had in there, I could with under full throttle grab the tire and just stop it dead. It didn't even try, it would just stop. And me trying to do a comparison video between the 370 single speed and the 370 dual speed from WPL. This is the dual speed I used, and I had it in high gear, and I tried to do the grab the tire thing to see if it would stop, and it the 370 dual speed in high range got a lot more power. And see if I can do this. It twisted the shaft right off, and now I gotta disassemble the rear axle and put that back on. No big deal. I was just trying to do a comparison to how much more power in high range the 370 dual speed had than the single speed, and I guess caused myself more work. Lesson learned, just let things be. But yeah, the 370 dual speed in high range had more torque than the WPL 370 single speed. I don't know why. I guess I just got unlucky, and luck of the draw. Got a bad motor, but we got the motor swapped out, and I guess we're going to head outside and play with it a little bit on a half-dead battery. You walk in here, I start putting these trucks up on the shelf as I kind of get them fixed. Kind of toss them up here. Out in my workstation, I don't even know how many of these things I got. But we'll head outside and play around with our toy a little bit. So yeah, this is so all we replaced in this is it has a different motor that came with that blue single-speed gearbox I just showed you. A lot more torque. It seems to be about the same speed. It's going the same top speed as the WPL motor, so I'm guessing it's very similar. Turns the same amount of RPMs. I'm not an expert in that field. A lot of you know a lot more about this stuff than me, but I'm super excited because now this really good truck is even better. It's got that low end torque, it's not stalling out, and we can actually play with it. I don't really have a good spot to play with it here, except my little crawler course. It ain't much. Get this turned on. Maybe it already was on. Yep. We're using hobbyporter hp-007 7-channel transmitter. Okay, set that back up there. See if I can hold the phone and drive with one hand. It's kind of hard with the distance. See if we can get up here. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. We're all the RC family here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, so like in a situation like this where it stopped and it's on a hill, before it wouldn't want to go. It would kind of just stall out when I'd get on the gas. Let's get it back up there and we'll test it out. This is the first test. Yeah, I can just give it a little bit of throttle and it'll crawl. The other one, like I could have it floored, oops, and it would still be stalled, and then it would start to go. It wasn't very controllable, very little torque. I can't wait to get to a proper spot with this thing. Oh yeah. So I guess one of my tests I did with the WPL single speed motor and gearbox was I just kind of let it go right up against that wall and stayed on the gas, and it kind of stalled out. Guess we'll try that again. I hope I don't break anything. But yeah, okay, it's right up against the wall. We'll give it some gas. Spinning the wheel in there. And that right there is how it should do. You know what I mean? Before it was just stalled out. Now it actually crawls. I'm impressed. So this really cool truck just became that much better, and it's truly I'm trying not to swear here. It's really good. It works really good. We're going to glue these tires on to the rims. Problem solved. It was frustrating. Spent a lot of time and money building this truck, and it didn't really work out. Spent a little bit more money, a little bit more time, completely satisfied. There's going to be some more videos with this thing in action, more details. But yeah, this little black motor from AliExpress that came on that blue single speed gearbox is working great. Yep, super excited. Can't wait to go find a good spot to play with this. We're going to go over, do some maintenance to it. I guess glue the tires onto the rims. With the other motor, we didn't have that problem. It didn't have enough power to do that. So now we got a little bit more power. We got to start attaching stuff a little bit better. And we'll hit the trail. We'll have some fun. Thank you all for watching, tuning in. I hope this helps with your RC adventure. And I can't wait to see some of your guys' projects and stuff. So be sure to leave a comment below. I'll check your channel out. Grow our channels together. So I guess that's about all on the truck right now. I'll show you a little bit on the controller if I can figure out how to work it. So I bought this to do four-wheel steering, and haven't got around to doing it yet, but somewhere on here you can choose different steering things. Oh yeah, like crawl. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere right there. Crawl off. Okay, here we go. You can kind of see the, clean this off. You can see the indication on here. That's showing that it will kind of just, like crab walk, will just kind of go sideways. I'll turn the front and back the same direction. Let's see if we can find another mode. Right here would just be rear steer, I think that's meaning, is B for back. That's just the front steering. So we got front steering, rear steering, make front and rear go the same direction, and then we can make front and rear go opposite directions. Right there is pretty cool. Haven't got the chance to use it yet, but it's pretty shiny. Yeah, so that's how we do those functions. I have some parts to do a four-wheel steering one. Originally the plan is this is going to be the four-wheel steering one. I kind of want to just get it out on the trail, play with it, enjoy it a little bit, to make it all worthwhile to frustrations it's been putting me through. I don't have a lot of time or patience for stuff that don't work, if you haven't already been able to figure that out from my videos. I like to break stuff. I don't like it to come to me broken. I like to have perfectly working stuff and take it out, put it through its paces, break it, fix it, and repeat. Well, thanks for all watching this video. I just kind of got the parts in the mail today, start putting them together. I'm excited, I'm satisfied, I'm excited. Hopefully this motor holds up good. So if anybody's been having the same problem that I was, which judging by the comments, a lot of people had complaints about the low on power of the motor that came with this gearbox. So just replace it with this black one from AliExpress, and it seems to be good to go. You know what I mean? I don't have any long-term updates. I basically turned it on, made sure the tires went the right direction, and started filming, so you all got to see it same time I did. So I don't know how long it's going to hold up. Is it going to hold up long term? I don't know. Did it work really good right out of the box, just slapping this on there? It worked great. Super satisfied. I'll leave some links below. You can buy some stuff. I don't know if I'll be able to find an affiliate link for this, so I guess I'll just put the normal link. You click on it, buy it, I don't get paid. Everything else that I post down there and you click on and you buy something, I get paid. And I appreciate it. Goes a long ways. It may not be much, but it goes a long ways. A couple of % here and there ends up letting me build trucks like this. This is actually what I've been I built this with the money from the affiliate links from just a YouTube channel, and we still got a little bit more money to play with to finish this four-wheel steer. So this is actually this truck was built by you guys. Thanks for clicking on the links and buying stuff. It's pretty cool. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Bye.